Hey guys, how's it going? How to basically set up multilingual subdomains on Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure to buy the best plan. And basically, if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box to get the best deal. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the official website, right? First of all, we need to learn how to create a subdomain. First of all, go ahead to your website section and on the H panel, and then click the dashboard next to the website in question. Right, this is your domain, and then click the dashboard, and then you're gonna see on the left sidebar subdomain. You can search for it if you want to, and then under the create a new subdomain, enter the name for your subdomain and select if you want to create custom folder or directory to it. Right, in the subdomain, after you basically, if you want to change the language, you need first to create the subdomain. Right, you can do it afterwards, after you create the subdomain. And once have you created the subdomain, you can add it as a website. Okay, and basically you in the subdomain page, enter the name of the subdomain, like EN for English or FR for French. Okay, and just choose the domain to apply the subdomain and set the document root, like the directory where you will store the content files for the subdomain. Right, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.